colors. 1, 2, 3.
Fun!
It can build a house or door.
Sand!
Blue or purple, orange too. Squares are fun for me and you. Shapes and colors, come along. Let's all sing the learning song. Squares and triangles, stars so bright. Colors make the world delight. Triangles pointy, see its side. Like a mountain standing wide. Green and yellow, tall and proud. Triangles make us laugh out loud. Stars that twinkle in the sky. Hearts that flutter, flying high. Look around, what do you see? Shapes and colors just like me. Shapes and colors, come along. Dance and sing this happy song. Learning's fun for everyone. With colors bright, the joy's begun. Oops, my circle turned into a square. Let's find the colors everywhere.